If you use external display with your iPad but frustrated because of how tiny the text look like in your 4K monitor, then do these settings. First of all, of course, you need to open setting, and here let me connect my iPad to my external monitor. Once connected, first of all, you're going to see the top message that kind of shows that we have successfully connected the display, and this is also visible here when you tap on this display like icon. Now let me go back here in setting, and here you need to look for display and brightness. Now here I can clearly see MSI, which actually have resolution of 4K and 60 FPS, and my iPad is very powerful, which do not have any problem in running this monitor. Now here we have got bunch of setting available. For example, display zoom. If I tap on it, here we have got these three options. So by default, you're going to see your icon look small but not too small. Let's say you want a very small icon, then in that case, you can go with more space, alright, and then click on OK. As soon as you hit OK, you will see that the monitor icons will be smaller. Let me again go back, and this time I'm gonna choose large, and then you can immediately see the monitor text now look bigger. So in this way, guys, you can control the size of icon, especially when you have connected your iPad to external display. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Subscribe to iPad Essential for more such tips and tricks related to your iPad, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.